Yeah, he's on the rock.
Props. 20. Yeah.
Huge. Quick takeoff. This guy's doing shit.
Next up.
Where's it coming?
Ladies and gentlemen, direct your attention to your front. Give me fuel, give me fire! The F-18 is the start of the MAGTF demonstration. The F-18 was conducting an aerial reconnaissance by taking photographs of the battlefield for use in preparing the plan of attack. From the left, you will see a KC-130 Hercules with two CH-53 Super Stallions joining to demonstrate aerial refueling. One of the most significant capabilities of the Marine Corps is projecting combat power over great distances. As you can see, the assault support aircraft will stay near the tanker, ensuring that they will have enough fuel to support the ground Marines when called upon by the mission commander. Alongside our 2 Hornets and 2 Harriers, demonstrating aerial refueling. Here, all 4 jets stay near the tanker, ensuring they will have enough fuel to support ground Marines and engage enemy targets. From the left, you just witnessed a UH-1 November Huey helicopter that approached. In a few seconds, you will see it stabilize. Now, over the landing zone, or LZ, Marines will quickly fast rope to the ground. This technique is used when tactical situation or terrain prevents the helicopter from landing. As you see now, Force Reconnaissance Marines have exited the aircraft and landed in a matter of seconds. These Marines will call for and direct naval gunfire to destroy enemy positions on the battlefield before the full force of Marines are brought to bear. As the Marines landed into their position, using laser sights and long telescopic lenses, they will quickly sight in on enemy objectives, so they may direct gunfire from far ashore. Our advanced team of Force Reconnaissance Marines that fast roped into the area will now be extracted by a Huey via a spy rig or special purpose insertion extraction. This method of extraction can be used in areas where helicopters cannot land in full conditions. F-18 pilots were credited with 2 kills during that war. from the left, an AV-8 Harrier B on a straighter run with a 25mm cannon. The Whiskey Cobra has twice the power and capabilities of the previous versions and can now be equipped with air-to-air missiles and air-to-ground missiles, as well as deadly anti-armor capabilities. To your left, you will witness 3 CH-46 Echo Sea Knights, nicknamed the Frog, as they demonstrate the vertical assault technique. The Sea Knights are fully instrumented twin-engine tandem rotor helicopters. Behind the Sea Knights are the AH-1 Cobras, who provide assault support, while the CH-46s insert and extract troops from hostile situations. Notice, quite an awesome display of firepower. In order to overcome the enemy troops that have taken them under fire, the platoon commander has decided to launch a frontal assault, using the organic firepower he controls. This includes M16 rifles, M249 squad automatic weapon machine guns, M203 grenade launchers, of firepower, the company commander has requested close air support from the Hornets and Harriers. And now 2 Harriers from above. This well-executed attack demonstrates the synergy of combined arms used by the United States Marine Corps. The Hornet that just flew by was performing a battle damage assessment, or BDA, Armored Reconnaissance Battalion, Camp Pendleton, California. The infantry platoon is commanded by
They're not marching by the
Captain Don Underwood